Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on my Everest. My Everest is back there. I'm at this place called Tyres in Banatul Razak, and my Everest is getting its mud tires. Let's have a look and how they look. So these are the mud tires. These are used tires, but they are used like a month, and I bought them off the earlier owner. The rims are a bit more seen action, I guess, but if you polish them up, they'll come up really nice. These are Maxxis empty tires. A lot of thread in them left, you can see that. And I'm not sure if you can see this, but yeah, they already have a lot of room for activity up there, and I'm going to get another few inches added on by putting some lift kits. So yeah, so stay tuned. Let's see what we can do. Just to show you, these are the old tires running on GT. These are the new tires, and I'll put them side by side for you to show you how different they are. Yep. We put this side by side. As you can see here, it's about inch and a half, sorry, about 2 inches difference between these and this. So the 2-inch difference means it gives you 1 inch extra clearance on the truck. So yeah, good stuff. And if I add another 2-inch lift back there, and over here there's a torsion bar there. See the torsion bar? That's the torsion bar. I can show the torsion bar. Yep, that's the torsion bar there. So on the Everest, the back you put a lift kit, the front you use the torsion bar, tighten it up, and immediately the truck will get increased ride height. Exciting stuff. So these are some of the challenges you face when you go for bigger tires than what the factory recommended. If you see here, let me just show you. Okay, this is the new tires, and you can see they're quite close to this piece over here. Now this is the side step, which I want to remove anyway and put a custom one, but it won't fit, so I basically took out this end piece here so it doesn't rub. So the back, I'm quite okay. The back doesn't hit. The front, I got some space, but the front is where I got my problem, because the front, if you see here, this piece here, when I turn, this corner hits that corner, and we can't have that happening. It's a big no-no, you know. The back, I can remove this piece over here, that's fine, but the front is where I'm having problems. So I'm trying to see if I can open just this portion over here. Okay. And that's how they race the car or truck. Berapa? 3 kaki lah. 3 sikit lah. Belakang?
32.
Bisa
Sikit saja.
sikit je lah beza.
Sikit saja.
So belakang kalau saya naik lagi 2 inci,
Boleh.
depan boleh naik lagi lah.
Boleh.
Okay. And there she is, lifted